Welcome back, and this is game one of the finals between Ateneo and Adamson. So far, it is Ateneo up 2 sets to 1, and what happened in the third from, and the numbers right here, and
Almost the same story as that of the second set, where Ateneo actually had more points coming from attack, 16-12 of Adamson. Dun sa block tsaka serve, halos pareho lang din yung performance nila. But, you know, I think what's really glaring here is the fact na ganun ulit hindi nag-work yung offense ng Adamson because they didn't have good reception.
Yeah.
But on top of that, what we saw also in the third set was that the blocking of Adamson was also a bit weak.
Yeah. Nakakapagpalusot na ng mga palo itong attackers ng Ateneo. And so far, Ateneo has won sets 2 and 3. Can they make it straight to close out Adamson, or will Adamson get this one and force a tiebreaker in the 5th set?
But notice also that Mommy Dulce now has Makatuno
again,
as the starter. Yeah.
Coach Pante right there has had a championship here in the Shakey's V League.
What she said during the pregame, what she wants is to actually get the title again.
Again, back to back na, sabi niya. Cassini against a triple block. Soriano getting a point against Taiglit. Makatuno. He will serve. This one is good. Drop shot there from Kissing. Ooh! Let's see, Ferrer will set up Cassini. Oh, she looks tired. Cassini bending over, and that's a sign.
That's right. Rito Vasquez here is laughing it off. Natanggal yung shoes niya and she couldn't move.
Up to now, I think it's still off. Well, that normally happens.
It happens, yeah. Pati si Mami Dulce natawa na lang din eh.
Ooh! Wow, Valdez with a bad serve. Giving away another point to Adamson. Shakey's, if it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. It's Adamson up 4-1. Oh, fell! Hindi alam. And Mikmik Laborte doesn't even know if that ball went through or not. Went in or not. So, ganun kabilis yung pagpalo ni Phil.
Good serve.
That's a good block on Nene. Mick Laborte sends it long.
He throws that away. So far, Laborte has been quiet. We haven't seen much from her in the past 2 sets. Excellent serve there from Ferrer. Gives it to Laborte. Saved. Makatuno to Bautista, but Bautista sends that one wide. Oh, and here's the thing. We see that, you know, Adamson is really having a difficult time in getting a point from their attack. As we take a look at Ferrer getting ready to serve. Good serve. Bautista is putting it over. Tainglet goes for the drop right in the middle. No defense there for Adamson. Quite unlikely, but it seems that, you know, Adamson is having a difficult time in reading the offense of Ateneo. Ferrer with another serve to Bautista. Bautista gets it. Ball lands right in the middle of Valdez and Ferrer. Now the score is tied to 5. Bautista serving. Hervasio goes for the attack, but sends that one long. Good read by Vasquez. As Bautista again gets ready to serve. Good reception.
Trying to hit it down the line. still. Cross court, dug up by Angela. Nick Laborte, dug up by Jem. That's too close. And Kailan found a way to get it over.
Oh, look at that one from Cassini.
Wow, big quick play for Cassini.
That was literally quick.
I know. Look at this. Perfect set. Ganda.
Timing also.
The blockers were late in defending or in going up, so Cassini had a wide open look. Mikmik asking for it. Dug up by Jem. Kinlob cut shot. Dug up by Valdez. Cassini defending very well. That is outside.
That one goes wide.
Gervasio missing the line.
Kulang lang sa snap ng wrist yun eh. She had the right angle. In fact, wala talagang depensa doon, ano? But it's too long.
That's right. Adamson is up by 1, 7-6. They throw it again to Z, who gets blocked. Jennifer dumps it. Kept alive by Adamson. That is outside from Angela.
Oh, but point to Adamson.
Yeah, there was a touch there on Patnongan. So, good call by our refs. It is Adamson who's up here in set number 4.